Thank you so much, Dr. Jain, for coming to National IVF Summit and Awards 2024, hosted by Verse of Healthcare and IFS. So, what are your views about this event?
Thank you. I am really delighted to attend this platform, and this combination of media as well as the Indian Fertility Society is really great. I find it very different from other conferences because here we are not talking only about the clinical part. We are looking at the larger perspective, and I think that is very important. It will certainly give lot of thought-provoking ideas, giving a lot of chance to interact with other people who are sitting on the other side of the clinic, and certainly it is a very good initiative, and I hope this will continue because I am the founder secretary of Indian Fertility Society and past president of Indian Fertility Society, and when I see society growing in the direction which we thought it should be growing, it certainly gives a lot of pleasure, and this is one event which is really good and should continue every year.
Thank you so much for your kind words, sir, and we can understand the motivation, the vision behind this, and that is coming with the thoughts of yours. So, the panel discussion we just had, I have a similar question. I have a question on the same line. How do you see the demographic landscape of India changing in the next decade of light of current fertility trends?
See, we are having lot of things which are changing in coming years. One thing which has changed over the years is people have started recognizing Indian voice. That is the change which we have been working hard for quite some time. If I recollect 15 years back, when we used to present our data on global platform, nobody used to take it very seriously. Now, in 2024, if we are presenting some data, it is taken very seriously and people are ready to collaborate with us. So that is huge shift as far as the ART scenario is concerned. We are having a lot of collaborations with the American societies, European society. In fact, Europeans are coming now to India to host their conference in September. So I think that is the change which over the period, demographic shift if we talk, that is one important aspect in coming years, in the recent years.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views and experience with us. It's an honor to have you with us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.